In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story problem in less than 50 seconds. Yes, guys, in less than 50 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So first thing you wanna do is open the Play Store and then search for Instagram in the search bar right here, and then click on this update option in the green. After you click on it, then you will be able to get the latest version of Instagram app, and then go back, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, open Instagram, and then go to the notifications management, disable it, and then go back, click here on force stop, and go down to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back again to the app information page. And last thing you want to do is go back to the notifications management and enable it again. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.